most difficult. All right. Uppity, uppity. Up we go. Straight up from the gate. We are on the AT. Gonna do about 5 miles. Green tunnel. Yeah, I agree. We are about 2.5 miles in. We stopped at the Quarry Gap shelter for a little pack-off break. Ran into a thru hiker from Wisconsin. Her name was Special K, and I'll put her picture in. Beautiful weather today.
By a dyslexia specialist. It's like a whole program. Look how beautiful that looks. It looks even bluer in your screen.
All these dead trees. .5 miles in. .302. We are headed to the Birch Run shelter, which we should be there in about 3 miles. Some cool campsites. I did not take pictures of them. Ridge Road. Ridge Road, and we're making a left. We have made it to Milesburn Cabin. It is a locked cabin that you can rent from the Appalachian Trail Conservancy. There's a water. There's a road right there. The AT goes up. But there's the creek. Milesburn Cabin. Available for rent to the public through the Pennsylvania Appalachian Trail Club. Please respect the privacy of occupants. Next shelters, 2.4 miles. So, Tom's Run, Birch Run, is 2.4 miles north. Once upon a time, 2.4 miles to Birch Run. Good day. So that's 7.5 plus 2.4. No, not bad. Not bad. Good morning from Birch Run Shelter. It's raining. I'm just getting up. I slept awesome. We got 6.4 miles today to the next shelter, where I think we're just gonna hang out. It's supposed to rain all day. We might hit up Sunset Rocks. It's a Blue Blaze Trail. Just for show to do. All right. Catch you later. Rainy day. Rain, rain, rain. It started raining at like what, 6? Okay.
big. Pull that bag again. I can pop them a little bit.
I didn't wake up till 7:30. Usually I don't sleep too good the first night out in the woods, but last night I slept great. Did you pee right outside your tent, or did you go to the river?
Oh, I peed outside.
Yeah. Yeah.
One right there.
Right.
That would surely wake me up if I didn't do that.
Yeah.
I try and go out. Come on, if I could.
Yep. Oh, look, there's an up. Yeah. Well, I think it was either Tennessee or North Carolina. Somebody donated 10 brand new bear boxes. And they did use like UTVs to bring them in. Special access roads. It's foggy.
There's one.
Spooky.
Place, I hope they use it. Over in New Jersey.
Yeah.
Never the name of the computer box. It's like more of a big old puddle.
Ah.
You literally have to walk through as people lay down logs.
Oh no.
New Jersey's bad for the bears.
I heard. For how small New Jersey is, there's a crap ton of bears.
Yes, right?
Water source. Cool. Shippensburg Road. Rocksylvania. This is nothing compared to the bake oven knob section.
Oh, that's just like, that's like
Rock hopping.
rock hopping on like razor edge every step you take.
Yep.
Every rock is not like every rock.
Yep. Look at that blow down. a moody forest. Hey, here's some more water. That's cool. Pretty, pretty. Quartz. All these blueberry bushes along this section of the trail. You could definitely eat your way through in June or July. This is a Big Pine Barrens restoration project with lots of blueberries and flowers along both sides of the trail. There's a cool little